Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to fine-tune your open animation on your Samsung Galaxy device. So in One UI 8, Samsung refined how apps open and close when you're using gesture-based navigation. So the animation now feels more fluid and responsive with subtle bounce and depth effects that make transition look ultra premium. So here is an example. We'll go ahead and open up Camera app. And as you can see, when the app opens up, it opens up really nice and gently. So I'll do it again. Now let me go ahead and change this around to open it really quick. As you can see, it's opened up really quick. So let me show you how you can fine tune this animation to make your app open up slowly or fast. So in order to do this, we'll go ahead and first open up the GoodLock app. Now in the GoodLock app, you want to go ahead and scroll down and find Home Up module. Tap on this. Now go ahead and turn this feature on and then go ahead and tap on Gesture Settings. Tap on this. Here you need to go ahead and find this option, App Open Animation Tuning. Go ahead and turn this feature on, tap on this, and here you can go ahead and choose Simple Tuning or Advanced Tuning. I've just gone ahead and stuck with Simple Tuning as this is really easy for me, so I can go ahead and make it open slowly or very fast or just medium. So let's go ahead and test one of these out here. So very slow. Now let's go ahead and switch this to fast. If you go into advanced tuning, you'll see that you can go ahead and configure this even more to your preference. However, I've just left it to simple tuning, which gives us a fast tuning of how the app opens on your Samsung Galaxy device. This isn't just eye candy, it's smoother animation, making your phone feel faster and more alive. So you'll notice less stutter when swiping between apps, making everyday use feel more like a flagship experience. So there you go guys, that is how to configure the app open animation on your Samsung Galaxy device.